So, pali nkhani imene yachitika ku Malawi. Nkhani imeneyi ndayipanga follow bwinobwino, ndaona kuti tikambe. So, it involves the Miss Malawi pageant. Tonse timadziwa kuti Miss Malawi, the current Miss Malawi, ndi Thandi Chisi. Now, ngati Thandi Chisi ali the current Miss Malawi, she is supposed to represent Miss Malawi to the Miss World. Koma zimene zachitika zaonesa kuti the whole Miss Malawi pageant, the organization, the system that runs Miss Malawi, has been infiltrated by politicians. And these politicians have decided to remove the current Miss Malawi from representing Miss Malawi to the Miss World. Now, the current Miss Malawi, who is Thandi Chisi, is supposed to be the one carrying the flag carrier for Malawi, going all the way to Vietnam, or where Miss World is happening. But no, the DPP political machinery has decided that it should be Navicha's daughter, Irene Navicha. That is stupidity. In a cinema, Uchitsiru and stupid at the same time, and even inconsiderate. How can you flout my laws and procedures of Miss Malawi pageant just because of the daughter of a politician? Thandi Chisi is a Tumbuka, northerner. Akufuna na Irene Navicha, chifukwa ndi mulongo wetu. Zalowa tribal, zalowa Ndale, is Uchitsiru. This is stupidity. It's beneath you and what DPP, and you, my Navicha, you cannot replace Miss Malawi for your daughter. That is stupidity. Makolo, tumapanga encourage ana the confidence. When you take away the pageant from Thandi Chisi, you are taking away her confidence too. Now, can you go political in this manner? Aino kichihana alinda kazawa matata dala jakasa. Tonse tima mtuwa tadala. She is part of that organization, or I think the Miss Malawi pageant. She is rumored, it is believed, to have bullied Thandi Chisi to relinquish her crown so that they can make way for a third-placed Irene Navicha. Ino mufula munduze kuti ndi chinthu cha nzeru mukatenge third-placed person mukapanga represent Malawi to the Miss World when we have the current reigning Miss Malawi, Thandi Chisi. Does it make sense to you? Dimene makhalira tribal politics mina kupanga atwa DPP. Does it see any easy? Can you stop being tribal? Can you allow Dziko to move forward? What's amabwezesa Dziko mbuyo? Yendi tadala. How would you feel? How would you feel if it was your child, mwana wako, akapangidwe overpass just because of her tribe, just because she's a Tumbuka? Are you not married to one? Are you not married to a Tumbuka? Why are you letting a group of people that is tribal to do that? Thandi Chisi is the current Miss Malawi. She should be the one being supported to go to the Miss World. What's that Irene Navicha? No. I don't comment on fashion and I just wanted to comment on this issue because it involves a young female that's being bypassed, that's being abused and bullied on the social media by people from your political party. It's become too political. Stop it. And whoever is making these decisions, you need to reflect. Tandi Chisi can sue the pageant, and I will help her to sue the pageant. Okay? Because it doesn't make sense. You cannot put a third place person could represent Malawi when we have a current reigning Miss Malawi. It doesn't make sense. And Ndale get away from the Miss Malawi pageant. Stop. It's not a political institution. It's a social event. It involves empowering young women. You know, Ndale, it's taking away the confidence of these young women because they'll say, we are going to be bypassed because it's political. Isn't Navisha a cabinet minister? She's taking her own daughter. That is nepotism of the highest order. It's nepotism. It's nepotistic. It's stupid. You are not supposed to do that. So, I am not happy.